Hello, my name is Shamil. I am Shamil. I am a student. I study English. I study English at Abral Academy. Abral Academy is my school. I love my school. I love Abral Academy. Every morning, I wake up, I open my eyes, I get up, I wash my face, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I drink tea. I eat bread, I eat cheese, I am ready for the day. Lesson words: wake up, wash, brush, eat, drink. Ready, I take my bag, I put my books in the bag, I put my notebook in the bag, I put my pen in the bag. I am ready for school. I am ready for Abral Academy. I go to Abral Academy. Sometimes I walk, sometimes I take the bus. The bus is fast, the bus is not far. Sit on the bus, I look outside, I see people, I see cars, I see the street, I see the park. I arrive at Abral. Academy d'Abral. Academy is big Abral. Academy is beautiful. Abral Academy is bright. I go. Inside, I see classrooms, I see chairs, I see tables, see books, I see teachers, I see students. Lesson words: bus, street, park, classroom, teacher, student. At Abral Academy, I study English, I read, I write, I listen, I learn. Practice. I repeat words, I repeat sentences. Repeat many times. English is easy. English is fun. English is good. I like English at Abral Academy. My teacher is kind. My teacher helps me. My teacher speaks slowly. My teacher smiles. I listen to the teacher. I understand the teacher. I learn step by step. I learn every day. I learn at Abral Academy. Lesson words: read, write, listen, learn, teacher, smile. After school, I go home, I eat lunch at home, I eat soup, I eat rice, I eat meat. I drink water, I drink juice. Lunch is good. Lunch gives me energy. I am happy. After lunch, I rest, I sit on the sofa. I read a book. I read an easy book. I read slowly. I understand slowly. Reading helps me. Reading helps my English. I read every day. Lesson words: lunch, soup, rice, meat, book, read. In the evening, I study again. I open my notebook. I open my book. I write words. I write sentences. I write slowly. I write carefully. Writing is good for me. Writing is easy for me. Writing helps me remember. I listen to English. I listen to audio. I listen to video. I listen to my teacher's voice. I listen and repeat. I listen many times. Listening helps me. Listening is practice. Practice makes me better. Practice makes me strong. Lesson words: write. Notebook, careful, listen. Audio, practice. At night, I have dinner. I eat with my family. I eat with my mother. I eat with my father. I eat with my brother. We eat together. We talk together. We smile together. Dinner is nice. Family is nice. After dinner, I watch TV, I watch simple videos, I watch English videos, I listen and learn. TV helps me. Videos help me. English is everywhere. Then I sleep, I go to bed. I close my eyes. I rest. I sleep. Well, I sleep for tomorrow. Tomorrow I go to Abral Academy. Again. Tomorrow I study again. Tomorrow I learn again. Lesson words: dinner, family, mother, father, brother. Sleep. The next day I wake up again. The next day I study again. The next day I go to Abral Academy again. Every day is the same. Every day is good. Every day is simple. Every day is practice. Practice is good. Practice is important. Practice helps me. On the weekend, I rest on Saturday. I wake up late on Saturday. I eat breakfast slowly on Saturday. I go outside. I walk in the park. I sit on a bench. I see trees. I see flowers. I see children. I see families. The park is quiet. The park is green. Lesson words. Weekend. Saturday, park, bench, tree, flower. On Sunday, I prepare for school. I prepare for Abral Academy. I open my book. I read again. I write. Again, I listen again. I repeat again. Sunday is study. Date, Sunday is quiet. Sunday is for English. English helps me. English makes me happy. I study because I want to travel. I study because I want to speak. I study because I want to understand people. Study because I want to work. I study because I want to learn more. I study at Abral Academy. Abral Academy helps me. Abral Academy is my future. Abral Academy is my dream. Lesson words. Travel, speak, understand, work, learn, future. My hobbies are simple. I like reading. I like writing. I like listening to music. I like walking. I like drawing. I like learning. English is my hobby. Abral Academy is my hobby. In the summer, I go swimming. In the winter, I stay home. In the spring, I walk in the park. In the autumn, I drink tea. Every season is nice. Every season is different. Lesson words. Summer, winter, spring, autumn, hobby, music. I like my city. My city is small. My city is quiet. My city has streets. My city has shops. My city has parks. My city has schools. The best school is Abral Academy, Abral. Academy is in my city. Abral Academy is for me. Abral Academy is for students. Abral Academy is for English. Lesson words. City, street, shop, park, school, student. I dream about the future. In the future, I want to speak English well. In the future, I want to travel to London. In the future, I want to see New York. In the future, I want to visit Paris. In the future, I want to meet new people. In the future, I want to talk to friends. In the future, I want to read books in English. In the future, I want to watch movies in English. In the future, I want to work in English. I want to work with people. Want to work in a company. I want to use English every day. Abral Academy helps me. Abral Academy gives me English. Abral Academy gives me practice. Abral Academy gives me hope. Abral Academy gives me a future. Lesson words. Dream, future, travel, visit, book, movie. Every day is learning. Every day is English. Every day is Abral Academy. I am Shamil. I am happy. I am learning. I am learning at Abral Academy. This is my life. This is my study. This is my future.
Every day, no borders remain when we learn as one. Together we shine like the moon.